What's up, y'all? Daryl from Smart Shooters, and today we out here on the range with my second AR build, also chambered in 300 blackout. So my first one was all arrow precision. This one actually is an arrow precision upper with an Anderson lower. I know, don't eat me up in the comments. Anderson is this, and that. We just build, and we just having fun because we can do that. Cerakote job was done by none other than Armory Valentine, located right in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Look them up. This is a lot of fun. Now, I didn't build it right. At first, I couldn't get it to fire at all. So I had to go to my local gunsmith guy who was able to tell me that I needed to take my tube another full cycle. Now it fires, but something with my safety selector is, I don't know, something is bumping something, because I'll be firing and then all of a sudden I can't fire, and then I'll bump my safety and then you can hear the trigger reset. So we're gonna put some shots up and see if I can recreate what I'm talking about. If you know what it could possibly be, let me know in the comments. Troubleshooting that AR-15. Let's get it. I was watching. So it actually didn't malfunction while I had y'all watching. So, I don't know. Now, I do got the little Firefield budget optic on there with the button broken off, because it broke off one day when I was outside shooting. But that's cool. The scope still work. The laser still work. It's not bad. I built this primarily to just come out here and have something to have. That's it. That's all. Either way, if you know what it could be, let me know. Maybe it's something that just worked itself out. Maybe something was bumping. I'm digging more into troubleshooting ARs, which is why I love building them myself. So let me know what y'all think in the comments. Let me know what you think of my AR. I think it looked pretty sweet. I'm not gonna add much else to it. I'm working on 3 more builds as we speak, so stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video for me. Help us get to 1,000 subscribers. We so close, yo. Help us get to 1,000 subscribers, because we need that. All All right, I'll catch y'all later. Next video.